knocking at 2:17 a.m. Don't answer the knocking. I moved into the old apartment because it was cheap and quiet. On the first night, I noticed a faint knocking inside the walls, slow and polite, like someone asking permission. The landlord laughed when I mentioned it. "Pipes," he said. Every night after, the knocking moved closer to my bed. At 2:17 a.m., my phone buzzed with a notification from a sleep app I didn't remember installing. "We're almost there." I deleted it. The knocking stopped. Relieved, I turned over and froze. Imprinted on the dust beside my bed were handprints, dozens of them, pressed upward as if the floor had tried to reach me and failed. My phone buzzed again. This is where we come out. The floorboards began to breathe. I realized the knocking wasn't coming from the walls. It was counting, patiently, waiting for me to answer. I never slept there again, but it followed me home, smiling.